CCGF aims to act as a catalyst to improve mental health care access in the St. Louis region.
CCGF's mission is to promote effective collaboration that transforms communities and lives.
St. Louis has a very unique history, and a lot of that comes from a lot of systemic racism, social injustice, which has led to what we call spatial segregation. We have the Delmar Divide. We know that segregation in space is real, and it is very prominent specifically in St. Louis. So a lot of our research is focused on where issues are existing in higher concentrations than others. There is a massive overlap between the prevalence of mental health distress, a lack of access to mental health care, and the social determinants of mental health, which can involve things like transportation issues or money, poverty, employment.
The overall purpose of CCGF prioritizing research in its activities is to further its core mission of expanding access to affordable, quality healthcare for St. Louisans, particularly those who are most vulnerable. We know that part of the challenge is that there are really gaps in available data, and so we want to make sure that we are doing original research that helps to fill those gaps, and doing it in a way that's not just about the numbers, but also reflects the lived experiences of people who are going through these systems, whether they are providing mental health care services or seeking mental health care services.
And so to be able to drill down in that and to help focus priority strategies on the communities most in need is really central to the Chiron's work and the research.
Chiron Community Partnership is a community building initiative with St. Louis Community Foundation, St. Louis Mental Health Board, and the United Way of Greater St. Louis.
I am incredibly pleased that Chiron has chosen the St. Louis Community Foundation to be a partner in this space, along with the United Way and along with the Mental Health Board. We really see this as a real opportunity to expand our influence in an area that we think is critical to the community, but also critical to our strategic priorities in terms of economic mobility, as well as youth connection.
The opportunity to join the Chiron Community Giving Foundation partnership will strengthen MHB's ability to achieve our mission to improve the quality of life for city residents by investing and participating in a coordinated system of social, behavioral, and physical health services aligned with community priorities.
At United Way, we understand the importance of mental health to a person's overall well-being. Our partnership with the Chiron Community Giving Foundation enables us to explore additional ways we can support someone on their daily journey. We are a proud partner of this collaborative as we continue helping people live their best possible lives. 1/3 of our safety net partners are focused on mental health.
The Chiron Community Giving Foundation provides opportunities, resources, and support to St. Louis-based organizations that work to expand access to high-quality, affordable mental health care. Funded activities include systems change work, prevention programs, direct service delivery, hyperlocal research studies, shared learning opportunities, and initiatives designed to address the region's clinician shortage. Effective intervention during the early years of a person's life or after adverse events occur can make a big difference to a person's future well-being.
Mental health is a big thing here because it's the community that we serve. So now we're not just dealing with the children, but we're dealing with their family who has past trauma. Myself as a Trauma Smart facilitator, I find myself talking to families every day about mental health and how to help their children.
So in the words of several students, Flourish has been life-changing. So for many of these students, this has been the first time they've been able to access mental health care, to attend therapy, and they maybe have waited years.
We have funds for counseling sessions, and so we make referrals of our clients to 2 quality vetted healthcare providers. It definitely works in this setting to provide mental health care in a basic needs organization. I'd love to see more of that.
So Webster University's Department of Professional Counseling has been very, very fortunate for a partnership with Chiron Community Giving Foundation. We believe that it's important to train students in the environment where they will provide services. And so we send our students out and provide them the support so that at the end of their program, at the end of their training, they are well prepared, equipped to provide mental health counseling services. And by doing this, we can help to address the shortage of mental health professional counselors in the St. Louis region and beyond.
As humans, our ability to form and have strong positive relationships and connections with others is simply what helps us tick. It's the way we learn about ourselves. It's the way we learn about others. It's the way we grow. It's the way we find hope and healing. You know, CCGF has been more than a funding partner. They are a tremendous thought partner. They bring other resources to the table.
We invite you and really hope that you will participate in the opportunities that become available, whether it's taking a survey, participating in a focus group, or just coming to a community convening where we're talking about the findings. It really enhances our ability to deliver a clear and full picture of the landscape and ensure that our solutions are really tailored for this community in a way that brings real impact.
Visit our website to stay up to date on our research initiatives.